What if there were only one gender? Let's imagine this for a moment. Humans wake up one morning, stretch their arms, check their phones, and suddenly realize everyone looks the same. No men, no women, just one single gender. At first, it might feel less complicated. No awkward men's or women's bathroom signs, no fighting over who has to take the trash out, no debates about whose turn it is to cook. But the real question is, what happens to biology? Here's the science. Humans reproduce through something called anisogamy. That's a fancy word that means two very different kinds of cells come together. Males make small, fast sperm. Females make big, nutrient-packed eggs. When sperm and egg meet, boom, new life can start. If there were only one gender, we'd lose the system completely. Imagine everyone having only one kind of cell, either just eggs or just sperm. That's like trying to bake a cake with only flour or only sugar. Something important is missing. Some animals can pull this off. Certain lizards, for example, reproduce by themselves in a process called parthenogenesis. Basically, they copy their own DNA and make babies without needing a partner. Sounds convenient, right? But here's the catch. All the babies are genetic clones. No mixing of DNA, no shuffling of traits, no new combinations. At first, it might look fine. Everyone's surviving, everyone's thriving. But over time, this becomes a big problem. Without genetic variety, diseases and environmental changes can wipe out the whole group. Imagine everyone being vulnerable to the exact same flu. One sneeze and society collapses. Now picture humans doing this. At first, scientists might cheer. We've solved the mystery of reproduction without two sexes. But after a few generations, things would start to look very fragile. Evolution depends on diversity. It's like rolling dice. You want different outcomes, so some versions survive no matter what happens. With only one gender, the dice never roll. They just freeze on the same number forever. So yes, life with one gender might sound simple, maybe even less dramatic. No more love triangles, no more dating apps filled with heartbreak. But biologically, it's risky business. Diversity is nature's insurance policy. Without it, the story of life could end much faster than it began. In the end, two genders may sometimes drive us crazy, but they also keep humanity alive. Nature knew what it was doing when it designed this messy, complicated system. Turns out, survival really does take two.